Alright, this is how to install the lower unit on my Mercury 650. This is a 1974 model. Should be the same for most of these other models. There's a few more bolts and stuff if you want to go higher than the 650. Would you get up to the 100 range and these 4 cylinders, or even the Tower of Power. That's not what we're working with here. So I'm not actually going to show how to put these back on. I'm not going to show me put them back on, I'm going to show how to. So first things first, we have 4 bolts to hold this thing in place. 2 bolts that are in the lower unit, 2 bolts that are in the upper unit. So we've got 2 here on the back, 1, 2, 2 here on the front, 1, 2. If you can see, I put some Never Sees on there. I figured just because this is something that needs to come off for regular maintenance, we want it not to be on here all the time. So if I need it to come off, I need it to come off. Next thing we have is our exhaust tube. Just comes down right here, slides into place. Then we have, I don't know if you can see that, this here is a water intake tube. Goes into the top of the water pump right here. There's a little gasket that goes down in there. So here is our input shaft. So whatever gear you're in, you want to, whatever gear the boat is in, it's the way you want to install this thing. So I'm going to put the boat in forward. I'm going to come back here. So I've got the boat in forward gear. And I have this thing in forward gear. Until it's in forward gear, I can turn it clockwise without any resistance. Turning it counterclockwise provides resistance. Some people tell you reverse, some people tell you neutral. I'd say forward gear because when it's in forward gear, you can turn it backwards, spin the shaft, and help it bite up here. So your shaft has to go from here to about right here on the bottom of the power head. It's splined, there's teeth on it, all that good stuff. You just got to put it in there. Sometimes take some force. It's okay. It's part of the reason I have this ratchet strap here. Grease it. Use a marine type grease. That'll keep it from seizing. Because this is regular maintenance, you want to be able to get back in there to do it again. So the part I'm having trouble with is getting this unit back together and getting the transmission to work once the unit's back together. See, that's drive. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that in drive. Alright, that's neutral. There's a little pin right here that's going to come down. Alright, we're in drive. So, if we look up here, it'll be easier to see it right here. There's 2 shafts that come down here. First is this lockout pin. All this lockout pin does is it connects to this and sits here, and it creates a lockout point for when this motor will not go into gear, specifically into reverse. This motor won't go into reverse while that pin is down. Secondly, there's a little tube that comes down through here, right in there. That little thing is splined. Yeah, there we go. That little thing is splined, and it slips right onto there. That's our Gearshift Selector. I'm not entirely sure what this device does, but I know it goes in there. I know it goes in there like this. You can see there's a little channel for it to slip into. Let that bad boy slip into that channel, push it into place. And this little metal bar over here to the side. You want that bar to come out and into this channel right here. And then it's just a matter of working this and this and this up into their proper locations. The way I've been doing it is using the ratchet strap. You're just ratcheting it down until it gets to where I want it to be. It might also be easy just to kind of grab it and manhandle it into place. But this is a nice way if you're doing it by yourself. Makes life significantly easier. So that's how you put a lower unit back in. It's okay. You can go ahead and use some force on this thing because it's going to take some to get up in there, especially if the bottom of your crankshaft is corroded. Anyhow, thanks for your time. Have a great day.